Puppet Pals tutorial by Melissa and
Jacob.
I'm in Puppet Pals. We're going to show you how to use Puppet Pals. First, we're going to show you what the 3 tabs at the bottom do. Now, click the one that says Saved Shows. Now, this shows you all of your saved shows and Puppet Pals. Now, swipe to the left if you want to delete one of your Puppet Pals, but you don't have to. Now, click the back button to go back to the main menu. Now click More Characters. This shows you all the extra characters you can download if you don't like the ones that are given to you. The back button again. Now, click Press to Start. We have all sorts of characters. I'm going to show you how to add your own characters in 2 different ways. First, to take a photo. So now I'm going to take a photo, and now I'm going to cut out the part I want to be in the photo, like I am doing right now. This is my photo. Now I'm going to click Accept. Now I'm going to show you how to choose an image. So I'm just going to click a random image, and now I'm also going to cut out the image, like that. Now I'm just going to click choose as many images, maximum of 8. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the backdrops. I'm going to unclick because I have too many, and now I'm going to take a photo. I'm going to take a photo of the 2 of us. And just accept that. And now I'm going to click take a photo, choose the backdrop. And now I'm just accepted it. Now I'm here. So you can move around your characters. Oh wait, I forgot to add the characters. Now you can move around your characters just by dragging them around. But if you want, you click the things at the top to change the backdrops. Now, by moving your characters, you drag them around, like I already said. And the thing at the bottom is to zoom in and out. And to make them bigger, you just take 2 fingers and zoom them out, and do the opposite to make them smaller. Now, to change how they look, you just double tap them and they flip rotations. And if you single tap them, you could make them go even farther forward. Now, time to record. So I press the record button. Now there's a pause button if you want to stop the recording for a short time. Now to keep on going, you click the record button again. And to stop it completely, you click the stop button. And if you want to restart, you click the record button again. Also, to hear it, you press the play button. And to save it, you click that save button, and now just type in the title you want. Like I'm doing right now. Now we're back at our save show, and there's the new one. If you get confused, click the I at the top and type in the 3-digit code it gives you. It will always give you a different 3-digit code. And now it shows you everything, like how to record, save, stop, and do that. Like if you ever forget. Bye!
Now we're going to show you our own Puppet Pal.
Welcome to the Zombie House.
Hello, I'm Dr. Phil.
Get out of here, Dr. Phil.
Okay, fine.
Hello, welcome to another zombie production. Let's introduce everyone. First of all, my name's Jeff. Let's introduce Dad. Here's Dad.
Hello, I'm Dad.
Go away, Dad. Let's introduce Mom. Hi, I'm Mom. Next, let's introduce Dusty.
I am Dusty.
And next is Rusty. Yippee-ki-yay, I'm Rusty. Okay, those are all the characters. So, let's continue on with our story.
I'm home and I've got lots of brains.
Yay! How was work?
Pretty good.
Dinner's ready. How's everyone's dinner?
Excellent. The brains that I got really were cooked to perfection by those humans' fried brains.
Thank goodness for those video games.
It was fun. Can I go now?
Bye. No one is dismissed. 5 minutes later. Okay, dinner's over.
Rusty, you are dismissed to go bathe, and then we will talk to you.
Dusty, we are very disappointed in you.
Yes, we saw the card. The card?
Mom, Dad, I bathed. I will be right back, Susie. Stay here with Dusty.
That's fine, honey.
Rusty, time to turkey for sprinkles. Can I go play Video Smash? In a sec. Ugh. Okay, you're all clear. You can go play Video Smash. Yay! Rusty, turn on Video Smash and go up to your coffin. All right. Hey, I'm gonna head up to her coffin.
I think I'll head up with you. Good night, everyone.
All right, credit time. Let's see who voiced me. Well, it turns out Melissa voiced me. And she also voiced Mom and Rusty.
Now let's see who voiced me. Jake voiced me, as well as he also voiced Zeddy, or Dad, and Dusty.
Goodbye, everyone from the zombie house.